Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today question is 15. Which of the following is a period's cost? Option A, depreciations on factory lunchrooms furniture. Option B, salary telephones receptions in the sales office. Option C, salary of security guards for the factory parking lot. Option D, computer chips used by computer manufacturers. The correct answer of the question is option B, salary of telephone receptions in the sales office. So that the answer of the question. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.